Hello everyone, I'm Joel, your host for Talking Trends, where we explore real estate trends as well as other luxury lifestyle trends here in the greater Sarasota area. We hope that you'll also join us for our Crazy Cool Property segments, where we focus on some of the most amazing properties for sale in the area. Today, the hot topic is going to be the real estate market for the first quarter of 2023 and that market going forward. Many of you know about my past life as an accountant and attorney, so I love the numbers. So let's dive into them. Every quarter, we explore the details of the luxury real estate market in Sarasota County. I break it down between single-family homes and condos, and then further by price point. Properties over $4 million, properties between $2 and $4 million, and finally, properties between $1 and $2 million. When we focus on the number of luxury single-family homes sold from year to year, as expected, the numbers are down in both the over $4 million price range and the $2 to $4 million price range. However, in the $1 to $2 million segment, sales are actually up 12%. Where we see the massive changes with inventory. For both single-family homes and condos, in every price category, inventory is up significantly from year to year. With the exceptions of condos over $4 million, inventory is up a minimum of 95%. For single-family homes in the $1 to $2 million range, inventory is up a whopping 188%. You might say, holy crap, this is a drastic shift in the market. However, keep in mind that inventory levels are still historically low. It continues to be the reality that if you're working with a buyer who wants a specific thing in a specific area, it may be really hard to find. I will let you study the numbers on your own, but just a couple of additional comments about the stats before we talk about our market outlook. Many experts consider a balanced market to be 6 months of inventory. As you can see at the lower price points, we are not there yet. Homes and condos in the most sought-after areas under $2 million are still selling efficiently. The stats for properties over $4 million can be a bit misleading. Sales for both single-family homes and condos are down 16% and 50% respectively, but keep in mind this only amounts to a difference of 4 units in each category. Average sales prices are relatively stable across all price points for both homes and condos, an indicator that while the market is engaged, upward price pressure is only going to be seen on a micro basis depending on demand for a certain area or neighborhood. So looking forward, what do we see? We have lots of things impacting the market both locally and nationally. Some of the negatives for us include inflation, interest rates, stock market volatility, insurance rates and challenges, and the Silicon Valley Bank failure. On the flip side, some of the positives for us, real estate is a great hedge against inflation. In volatile times, people often move to hard assets like real estate. Inventory continues to be at an all-time low, and Florida is still one of the fastest growing states because of taxes, because of weather, because of the ability to work anywhere. All those things come together. A couple of things to note regarding the list I just mentioned. First, it is expected that interest rates will continue to decline over the next year, leading to more comfort and affordability for buyers. So, while there are many factors at work, the fundamental equation is still supply and demand. The supply of properties available for sale has risen this year but remains historically low. Demand is normalizing, but it is still strong. Regarding prices, they are settling into a regular normalized rhythm based on market factors. Both sellers and buyers should realize that it continues to be a good market. For sellers, it means they will reap the benefit of prices readjusted to a new norm over the last couple years. For buyers, it means they will have more selection and more stability going forward. The reality is that many Americans, Canadians, and other multinationals covet beautiful locations like Sarasota and Manatee. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you for the next segment of Talking Trends. See you then.